welcome everybody back to another episode of Hatoful Boyfriend. Last time, I got fucked over by some hawks. This time, I have no idea. But I'm not stopping until I get one of these stupid birds to love me. Okay, that sounded a lot weirder than I intended it to. Anyways, but a couple quick announcements. This weekend, I will be at Anime Expo. In fact, I will be handing out... Oh, crap. 1 second. Okay. Like I said, I'll be at Anime Expo this weekend, and while I'm there, I will be handing out pins. Can you guys see that? I got 3 different kinds of pins. Yeah, crap. One of my logo, one of Legion, and one of me. Yeah, another pin. But I'll be handing these out to people at Anime Expo. So if you guys are going to be there, come find me. I'll be hanging around looking like Jason. And yeah, I'll be giving them out. I also got some really cool business cards I'll be handing out as well. But come by if you guys want a pin. Come get a pin because I will be definitely handing these out. But for now, alright, let's do this. Not stopping until I get a stupid bird to love me. New game. St. Pigeonton's Institute. Welcome to St. Pigeonton's. Please enter your name. I will once again be... Actually, no, the creator died, so... I will be... Who should I be? How about... Jeremiah. Jeremiah Painter. Oh, Jeremiah Painter. Yes, I think that'll do quite nicely. Yeah, I'll be this. So, creator's dead. Yeah, Jeremiah Painter's fine. The creator's dead. Got killed off by hawks. Now we're playing as Jeremiah Painter. Yes, Jeremiah Painter is perfectly okay. That's full boyfriend. Yes, I know. Display human portraits. I would say yes because I like the human portraits, but I'm probably not going to be even seeing them. Configuration saved, and so we begin. Alright. But, as there is such a lovely thing called the skip button, skip! Yeah, I just didn't even need to press the thing. But yeah, but I'll be skipping ahead until we get to the point where okay. Like I said, I'm going to be skipping ahead until we get to some new stuff. All right, lunch today. Today is skipping by so quickly. That reminds me, I have one of these books from the library all summer. I'll return them now. All right, and I'm just gonna keep skipping ahead. Hello, Nageki. Actually, I'll be. This is someone I'm actually going for. So, a lot of this is going to be a lot of repeat. So I'm just going to just skip ahead until it's some stuff that's new. Not today. Okay, the update's actually going to be a little bit different. I'm going to actually try to go. I want to do two math to 1 music this time. Mr. Nanaki dozed off as usual, but class was somehow good anyway. I feel smarter already. Jeremiah leveled up. Wisdom increased by 5. Alright. Again, I'm going to be skipping ahead, so you'll probably be seeing a lot of skipping, and probably I'll just fast forward it, so bye-bye. Hey. Oh. Books are nice. Okay, you know what? Last time I talked to Ryota, This time I'm going to talk to Kazuaki. Oh wait. What is it, Painter? Break isn't over yet. Just wanted to talk to you, sir. Your friends are all here. Talk to them. Do you not want to talk to me? Oh, do you not want to talk to me? No, that's not why you're funny girl. Why is it so slow? You're a funny girl. Painter. Yeah. Oh, I was falling asleep. Wait, no, I haven't said anything yet. And so I took a nap in this snack. I wonder if he has some sort of illness. I hope he's okay. Oh, I wonder if I could... Okay, we'll figure out. Today's not today. Once again, I will be doing math class. I'm not getting this at all. Maybe you should review the basics a little more. Yes, sir. Jeremiah leveled up. Wisdom increased by 5. Alright. Can I skip all this? Yep. Alright, midterm's ready. Painter! Or painter. Or painter. Yes? You worked hard. Keep going like that and you'll do just fine. One day you get to pass me. I'd love to see that. I guess I did pretty well after all. And Mr. Anarchy seems happy with too. Yay! And skip. Oh. Oh, okay, so this is actually another one. Last time I went to the store. This time, let's go to the cafeteria? Yeah, we have the cafeteria tonight. Excuse me. One half-dead fried... What? One half-dead fried rice? Alright. Excuse me. One half-dead fried rice, please. Yum, my favorite. Oh! No, this is wrong! Fake! A vicious lie! I like Okusan. A familiar voice indeed. Oh! This is not pudding! I love this music. Okay. I know, you said... I know, you said. So come on, let's get outside. We can't horse around in here. What's going on? I like it, not that I can't tell by looking. San saw pudding here and went nuts. I stopped him from going on a rampage, but ow! Get it out, Okusan. Oh! Release me at once! My rage voltage is rising! Help me, Jeremiah! Leave it to me! Leave it to me, Ryuta. My hunter-gatherer blood boiled. I love this game. Oh no! The Beast Queen shows her true colors. Pull out! Pull out! Oxan rushes from the cafeteria like a rabbit from a catapult. Ah, safe at last. Thanks, Jeremiah. No problem. All I do is shout at him anyways. Apparently that was enough. Oh, apparently that was enough. Now we can all eat lunch without fear of disaster. Alright, luck today. So, like I said, 2 wisdom, 1 music. You have to stand up and sing solos today. Nervous. His voice is beautiful. Jeremiah leveled up. Charisma increased by 5. Cool. Today is Tanabata. There's probably a bamboo tree there too. Okay. Alright, so this is this again, so... Oh, wait. Anybody I know? Yeah. So just this stuff again. I miss an anarchy. What should I wish for? You know, I'll go ahead and become a famous... I wish to become a famous artist this time. Oh, hello. Is that you, painter? It's an anarchy. You should be careful at this light. You can be dangerous for a girl, you know. I was about to head home. Want me to walk you to your place? This time, I'm gonna say no. I want to see what if something different happens. No, thank you. No, thank you, sir. I saw some errands to run. Oh, well, don't stay out too late. Wasn't the Key-Mania IIDX public playtest starting today? Maybe I'll stop by the arcade. Oh. That's interesting. Today's luck today. Again, go and do math. And if nothing interesting happens, I'm just gonna go and start skipping it. Oh yeah, hard to say. I never help you at all, Dana. But only studying things that help you in life is time, so think of it as educational candy. And integral calculus is educational candy? I'm not prepared to accept this. Hey, hold up. Ah. We get our finals back today. Okay, that's... Yeah, no, nothing interesting happened. Today's the last day. It's been a semester on me. Seems like either way, I'll just go ahead and skip. There we go. Alright, last time I did Night on the Galactic Railroad. I'm debating if I should do Hato this time. Let's do Hato this time, because I already know this one. What about my little Nico bar? Can't be this cute. Wait, what? Did I just say Hato? What about my little Nico bar? Can't be this cute. I liked it. I've never heard of that name before. Oh, wait. I've never heard of that name before. What is it? It's a light novel that came out last month. It's about an incredibly tsundere Nicobar with a complex, and her faceless male protagonist brother, and... I see. He sounds extremely uninterested. Don't look down on light novels. Kiriniko is cute. Alright, and let's go ahead and run. Okay, okay, we're back to another choice. I'm gonna say forget it. No part-time job this time. There it goes. I think I'll wait until I'm in college. That way I can skip lectures to go to work. Slacking off and having fun is more the high schooler thing to do. Whee! Alright, Okay, so Sunbirdie. Invite Nageki. But I don't know where Nageki is because yeah. Here's my idea. Alright. Okay, nothing there. I got when I first woke up. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I'm going to go to the library. Library should be open now. I think I'll go study. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm not sure I'm prepared enough for my test. I'd like to go study if that's alright. Of course. Work hard, okay. Seriously though, Mr. Nanaki's gonna put me to sleep one of these days. There's already a number of students working in the library. Looks like mostly third years? They probably all decided on their colleges and careers already. Will I be that frantic this time next year, I wonder? Oh, Nanaki is here too, leaning against a bookshelf in the far corner. Nanaki! Nageki. Nageki. Not Nanaki. Nanaki's the teacher. Nageki. This painter? We need something. Why are you... Oh, why are you over here? There's still plenty of seats open. You should sit down. I don't mind standing. You look like you mind. You don't like being near other birds? Is that it? He nods. They'll just ignore me anyways. Whether or not I go near. Nageki, are you being... I don't think he's being bullied because he says he would be ignored anyways. Granted, that's terrible and you should never ignore anyone if you can help it. But I want to say he's being paranoid? Oh, he didn't say anything. He falls silent. There's something wrong, I'd like to help. And skip. Oh, what's the thing? This is... Oh, that's interesting. Look at my stats. What do I have? 26 and 20 charisma. That's weird. Okay, last time it was math class. So one more math class and then it's I had I had hoped for something a little more interesting from an elective, but this is dull. I can barely keep up, even though Mr. Nanaki explains everything so clearly. So this is all easy for you, Sakuya? Wow. Requiesce. Are you trying to curry favor with me? Looks happy though. Jeremiah levels up. Wizard increased by 5. Okay, and skip. Oh! Hello! This is new! This is new. Ooh, hello. I wonder if Nanaki's in the library today. Probably. I'm gonna go buy something and hang out with him. Ooh! This is new! This is new! Hey, we got some new stuff here. Yep, door's open. Hey, Geki? Close it, please. I knew you'd be here. The door. It's loud outside. Oh, sorry. You're staying in here even today? It's almost like this is where you live. Is something wrong with it? Of course not. Kind of like a friendly ghost or something. It's reassuring to know you're here. Anyway, I brought you something. You've been staying here all day, right? What? Cookies? Yep, the birdwatching club is selling bird-shaped cookies. Aren't they cute? Some. Thanks. Hearing him thank me makes me very happy, even if it was in a whisper. He looks a little happier than usual. Yay! Lots of other stuff too. The third years are doing a play, and the one class put together God Tier Haunted House. was thinking of looking around a bit more. Hey, Geki, want to come with me?
No.
Oh no, he looks angry. No, thank you. Go ahead if you want. Oh, all right. Sorry, didn't mean to drag you out of here. I think he might actually live in here. Now that I think about it, I've never seen him anywhere else. Maybe he comes straight here as soon as he gets to school. Okay. Is this a new? Midterms are right around the corner. Ugh, I got too excited for the festival and didn't study at all. I have to study. Where's my history textbook? Not on my desk. Oh, I was reading it. Yep, this is new. I was reading it in the library during lunch, so maybe it's still there. I'll go look. Sir?
Oh, come back, Painter. Where are you going?
I think I left something in the library. Do you know if the door's still open?
Some birdie brought the key to the staff room a few minutes ago, so I think it's locked now.
I'll go there first then. Thank you, sir. Goodbye, Mr. Nanaki. I was sitting over there. Here it is. Yay! Oh, some birdie's written on the page left over. The Congress dances, but does not progress. That's funny, but don't enter people's books, please.
Don't leave books lying around with their pages to the four winds.
Mr. Nageki.
What? Why are you so surprised?
I didn't thought you'd still be here.
Why not?
The door was locked. Don't tell me they locked you in. That would be terrible.
It was? I hadn't realized.
Oh, if it was an accident, then it's alright. Maybe. Jeez, you're supposed to make sure that there's no birdie left inside before you lock the door. Anyway, I need to lock the door again. I should go in the gate. Hey, Nageki, let's go home together. Blah. Shut up, phone. Give me an email. Hey, Nageki, let's go home together.
No, thank you.
He didn't even pause to think about it. Where do you live? I'll walk you.
I'm fine, really. Don't worry about me.
I always get mad when I suggest you go outside.
Don't jump too. If I could,
What?
Don't worry about it. I'll lock the door, so just leave the key there.
He's already reading again. I think I'm annoying him. But hey, at least I got something new this time around. My grades aren't looking very good. Need to work hard to recover before finals. So I said, study in the library. While one by one the other students file out to go home. When I look up, I'm alone. Or not. My, how unusual. I think it's the first time you sat down next to me, Nageki.
I want to talk to you.
You're nothing but surprises today.
I'll leave you alone if you're busy.
No! I'll go away.
I was shocked when you first came and talked to me, Miss Painter. You're the only one who didn't ignore me. No one but you has ever talked to me. That's why this is the only place for me.
That's terrible. Nageki, that's awful. Which class are you in? I'll talk to our teacher.
I'm not done talking yet.
Sorry. Go on.
You think I'm being bullied, right? I thought that too.
No, I think you're being paranoid. You're not? No, I said paranoid. I did say paranoid, right?
I don't think so. No, being bullied might be better than this.
Yeah. Other than this, what is he? If I maybe I don't know.
I'm not sure yet, though. When you talk to me, I remember things sometimes, but it's still not enough.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Miss Painter, I think I.
Painter? Oh.
Painter, you're here late.
Sir.
School's already closed for the night.
Shut up, phone.
It's good to study, but working too hard on your own for too long can't backfire on you. Lock the door and head home.
Wait, on your own? Does he not see Negeki sitting literally right next to me?
Lock the door and...
Wait, aren't mourning doves also aren't all supposed to be birds of death? Suspicious, suspicious.
Lock the door and head home soon, okay?
On my own? Sir, what are you talking about? I'm not alone. Huh? Negeki's gone. Just hear me word. I think I know. Do you leap out the window and go home ninja style? Okay. We get our files back today. Between midterms and practice exams, this whole semester has been nothing but tests.
Painter.
Painter. Sir.
You ranked top of the year this time, by the way.
Hey, I ranked top of the year. Nice. What?
She beat you by 2 points. Sure got it. Oh well.
Takuya is glaring daggers at me again. Ah, nostalgic. Alright, skip ahead to crap I don't need. Oh! New! Ooh. Closing time already. I don't really have any reason to be here again until the semester starts up. Oh no, it's snowing. Ooh, snow. I like snow. Snow! It was clear when I left. Crossing the wilderness to get... What is going on with this world? Yeah. Crossing the wilderness to get to my house in a blizzard. I'll be risking my life.
You're still here?
Oh, Negeki. Making me yawn. Negeki. A book under his arm, same as always. I do wonder about last time, but if he wants to talk, then we'll talk. Then he'll talk to me. For now, I won't bring it up. I was about to go home, but guess I'll wait until it stops. Makes a noise agreement and sits down next to me with his book. He's been a little distant lately, but maybe he's warming up to me in his own way. What are you reading?
Dickens. Christmas Carol.
You know, I love the music in this game.
Dickens. A Christmas Carol.
Oh! It's Christmas Eve today, isn't it?
Please keep quiet in the library.
Sorry. I completely forgot. I guess this makes it a white Christmas. Damn it, Namiki. More like a whiteout Christmas, if you ask me.
Looks like you're almost finished.
Oh. Looks like you're almost finished.
Yep. Just got to the part where Tiny Tim dies and Scrooge sees his own grave.
That sounds like a depressing story. Oh, actually it's not. It's actually a really good story.
You haven't read it? Even though you work here?
I'm Buddhist, so Christmas stuff has never been...
Tim is a boy born weak who dies young.
protagonist or antagonist.
Scrooge sees that it will happen and tries to prevent it. Time travel? I thought it was a classic, but it sounds kind of science fiction-y. I can see that. It's not really the focus of the book, though. I like to see the future. It'd be nice being able to avoid getting into trouble. I wouldn't like it. No? The future is what it is. It's what it is, and that's all there is to it. And so we enjoy the present point of time along which we float. It's a nice way to spend Christmas, I think. Yay! New stuff! I don't know how my phone beeped. The sun, its majestic brilliance, sweeps across the line, incandescent glory. Not the... Oh wee, oh woo, oh wee, oh woo, oh wee, a skip. Except, last time I did Fulfillment and Conquest, this time I'm going to do Fulfillment and Art. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Thanks, Ryota. Are you here all day today? Yep. First day's always busy. Oh well, I was going to ask if you want to get lunch together, but I think I should just skip all of this. Yeah. Happy New Year, everyone. Oh, I hope you all had good vacations. I hibernated. What a shocker. Oh. 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 Crap, I can't coop. You're still hibernating, sir. Wake up. I've said this before, but your junior year will be over before you know it. Let's enjoy this time while it lasts. There's nothing special this semester. Nothing to worry about. That was the same, so I can just skip that. Okay. This is where I died last time. So I'm going to find out if I'm going to die again. If I am, well, it's almost for this episode. But we got some new stuff. But if I don't die, I'll probably end the episode, and we'll continue it on in the next one. I hope I don't die again. Is this new? It's still light out, so maybe I'll go somewhere before I head home. Whee! Oh, tomorrow's... Alright, Ligamentes. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip ahead. Okay, that's Okasan. Short bitter black beans. I'll take these. Thank you, miss. Here you are. Alright. Let's see. Today's the day. Preparation specialist on birding. Oh! Yes! Okay. This is different. So, almost empty, as always. And unsurprisingly, the heating doesn't work well here. So the winter cold will stick around even well through February. The pervading chill has earned the library its dubious honor of being one of the school's least popular places in winter. I wouldn't mind that. Few students here are huddled around the heater, so Nageki should be... There you are, Nageki. Sitting in a frigid corner far from the major effects of the heater, as expected. Please be quiet in the library. Oh, can you somehow forgive my dreadful sin? It's cold here. You okay, Nageki? I am fine. Don't mind me, Miss Painter. Feel free to go sit by the heater if you're cold. Nope, I'm fine. My house doesn't have a heater at all. That's true, I live in a cave. Anyway, I have something to give you. It's Ligamentes, you know.
Here.
For me?
Yep. You're supposed to give beans to the most important bird in your life today. Do you want?
Yes. Thank you.
He wordlessly accepts the beans and stares at the package as if he doesn't know what to do with them. Maybe he's never got Leland to get these beans before. I hope he likes them. Ooh, is that the wrong beans? No, a lot of requests. Wow. Hey, a whole bunch of new stuff. I just finished Legamentese. So, one second.
Okay.
Alright, you know what? I just finished Legamentese. Ow. Just keep going. Lots of requests or books are going to come in today. I have to work through lunch. Sorting all these take forever. I think I just have the encyclopedias to do that before I'm done. Huh? There's a note on the help desk counter.
Miss Painter.
Be here after the other students have all left. Fugishiro Nageki. You know what? I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to leave this right here and take this up in the next episode. So, you know what? Because I get a feeling there's a lot of new stuff, and I got 6 months or so before the part where I either die or something interesting happens. So for now, I'm the creator. This was Hatoful Boyfriend, and I'll see you guys later. Welcome everybody to another episode of Hatoful Boyfriend. As you see, we're taking off right where I left off. You see, I'm pretty much still in the same clothes. I'm actually recording this right after the last episode. And, yeah. To those of you guys who saw me at Anime Expo, not sure how many of you, if any, but since I'm not even there yet, again, I'm recording this right after the last episode. Hey, welcome. Hopefully you guys got your pins. And other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Not too much worry about that. But for now, let's go and get started. And we have, like I said, this is all new. This is brand new stuff. Otherwise, I'd just be hitting the skip button. Alright. Let's see. Miss Painter, please be here after the other students have all left. Fugishiro Nageki. It reads like a challenge to a samurai duel. How fitting. I think this is the first time he's approached me. I wonder what it's all about. Nageki, are you here? Nageki. Over here. Nageki?
Hello, Miss Painter.
You startled me. Why are you even standing there?
From the very beginning.
So, what did you need?
I want to talk with you, Miss Painter.
Talk with me.
Continue our conversation.
We were talking about bullying? I think. Okay, I'm all ears, Nageki.
I'm not sure where to start. I've noticed a lot since we last spoke together. Miss Painter. Let's go outside.
What? But he hates going outside.
Come on.
He stands up and walks over to the door. I follow, agitated.
You first.
Okay. You're gonna stab me in the back, are you? Why does he want to go out? Why does he want to go out all of a sudden? I should be happy, but huh?
What's wrong?
Oh, what's wrong? You said you wanted to come out here. He stands in the doorway, pushing against open air. What are you doing? Mine?
Watch.
Walks back a little ways into the library and then runs forward, crashing into the air. Nageki, what? Thud. He bounces off the invisible wall and falls back into the library. That's too good to be in my Mac.
As I thought, I cannot leave.
What?
I can't leave this room. I wake up in this library. After a while, I lose consciousness and wake up here again. And so it repeats. I said I'd come to understand the truth by talking to you, Miss Painter. You probably noticed too why no one else talks to me.
Ooh, I think I was right. But if this is the end, I'm kind of pissed because I ended the last episode.
I guess I just put these two together. That's because
Oh!
they can't see you.
I love this music in this game.
I'm the only one who can see it? I forgot why I was here.
Man, this music's so good!
I forgot why I was here. How I came to be stuck in this place. I've been alone for years. I have no one to talk to. For years? My sense of time has broken. I cannot feel or remember its passage. I've seen at least 5 school festivals go by. But finally you came and talked to me. I had no partner but myself for so long, so... As I talked to you, I finally remembered why I can't leave.
Ow! I had a feeling, but ow.
I killed myself in this room. So here I stay. The clock broke here. Time turned meaninglessly. Each day the same as the last.
Hey, he's fading. Why is he fading? Why is he fading?
It was my choice and I lived here.
Get a key? I wrap my arms around him. I can feel him softly, but he's cold.
At first, I knew it was painful. I didn't know how to cease to feel pain.
Oh, I ceased to feel pain.
That feeling when you can never lost came back.
You. Talk to you enough to make up for everyone else, Nageki. Maybe one day you'll be able to leave.
No. Why not? As I talked to you, I changed. I didn't notice until just recently. When you told me about the school, I was probably trying to take back the time I was never able to spend here. Never asked you to, but you relentlessly told me everything that was going on here. I really feel like I spent a full year at this school.
Nageki? His head is right next to mine, but his voice sounds muffled in distance. I look down, his feet are already disappearing. No, Nageki, wait! We've never talked like this before. I don't want this to be the last time. What? No, don't say it, Nageki. I'm sad now. Ow. Ow. Well, this is obviously in the last episode. Ow. Ah, I'm sad now. Oh. I had a feeling though that he was a ghost. Ending number 4. Dreams end. Oh, I'm sad now. Oh. Oh, that was sad. Well then, I honestly did not expect that to end so quickly. Alright, so this was obviously one episode. This is only going on, I'm only going to record for a couple minutes now. So this is obviously the end of the other episode. I like that. That was good. You know, I did say I would play Hatoful Boyfriend until I get one ending. And I got the bad ending, and I said, fuck that. And I played it again. And got probably the best yet saddest ending. I think I'm gonna keep playing this game. This game is really good. So yeah, so this is obviously still before Anime Expo. So, that was good. I like that. I like that a lot. I mean, ooh, my poor heart. Alright, well that's this episode of Hatoful Boyfriend. I know it's the second ending. Woohoo. But this is it for this episode of Hatoful Boyfriend. I'm gonna keep playing this. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and record another episode right now. But this was Hatoful Boyfriend. Man, do I like this. I love this game. So Jeremiah Painter got a very sad ending, let's face it. A very sad ending, but oh well. So Jeremiah Painter got a very sad ending. The Creator Waters got a very dead ending. Who's gonna be the next person to get an ending? Find out next time. But for now, I'm the creator. This is my second time doing this episode, and I'll see you guys later.